Hey everybody, this is Cheap Dad. Just want to show you a few items I have here. First of all, I have a very nice glider rocker. Glides real smooth, real nice, smooth action. And then the footstool as well is a glider footstool. So you can sit and glide. This is by, what is it? Sharmag, S-H-A-R-M-A-G is the maker of it. Now the upholstery needs to be a little cleaned a little bit there, but I think the upholstery cleaner would be fine on that. I've also got this area rug, a 9 foot. It's about a 9 by 6. I believe it's 9.3 by 6.7 inches. Area rug, nice pattern there, as well as this very nice fire screen door, fireplace door, glass door, really nice, heavy duty glass. It's a nice heavy glass door, operates smooth operation, smooth movement on the glass opening there. I don't know if you can see that real nice, but real good. It does work really good. I think those are like $300 or $400. Brand new. Nice fireplace. Nice glider rocker with the footstool, glides. Very nice smooth action. And about a 9 by 6 area rug. Cheap Dad on Facebook. Go to Facebook on Cheap Dad, a Facebook page, and on YouTube, Onecheapdad, Onecheapdad, to see the video. If you have any comments, questions, information about any of these products that you want to share, comment. Cheap Dad Facebook, Onecheapdad on YouTube. Thanks.